Hi, Lynette. Hopefully this will help you. I'm just going to do some of the problems over here to the side and give you examples of how to do them, and then hopefully you can do them from here. So number one, it says the temperature at 8 a.m. was negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature at noon was 5 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the difference of the two temperatures? So this is like what was on your math test yesterday. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your numbers, so negative 4 and 5, and you're going to add them together. So we're going to take 4 plus 5. Oops. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. So the difference between the two temperatures is 9 degrees. So that's the same. That's what you're going to do for 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is just dividing. So you're going to set up your problem. 12 divided by 12 divided by 456. So you have to ask yourself, how many times can 12 go into 45? And your answer is 3 times. 12 times 3 equals 36. We're going to subtract. So 45 minus 36 gives us 9. Bring down our 6. And then how many times can 12 go into 96? So if you have to, you can go to the side and try times it. We'll try 7. 14 carrier 1, 7, 8. Okay, let's try 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Carrier 1, 8, 9, 96. Oh, that's your answer. So your answer would be 38. Number 5. Tommy has $600 in his bank account and is planning on taking out $40 a week to spend. How many weeks will be able to take this amount out of his account until he gets to 0? So you're just going to take 40 divided by 600 and use the same steps we did in the previous problem to figure out how many weeks he'll be able to use. Number 6 and 7 is adding and subtracting fractions. Remember, you have to get like denominators, so use your multiplication chart. Go down your 3s and 5s until you find a common number, and that will become your denominator. So you'll have 1/3 plus 2/5. Oops. And then you have to find your common denominators. Oh man, it's hard to write on here. So your 3s and 5s, if you would go down your 3s and 5s, the common denominator is 15. Then you have to figure out what did you times your 3 by to get 15. Do the same thing to the top. What did you times your 5 by to get 15? And do the same thing to the top. And then you add across. Number 7 is the same thing. You're just going to put it, you're just going to subtract instead of add. All right, number 8, evaluate if x equals 7 and y equals 4. So you have 4x minus y squared. So you're going to plug in your numbers. So what's x equal? X equals 7. When you have a number and a letter touching like this, you multiply. So you're going to take 4 times 7 minus, what's your y equal? Y equals 4. So 4 squared. And then you'll solve. So 4 times 7 minus 4 squared. Number 9, same type of problem. So evaluate if a equals 2 and b equals 10. So you have 5ab plus a to the 4th. So you have 5 is touching the a and b, so that means we're going to multiply. So we're going to take 5 times a equals 2 times our b equals 10 plus our a equal 2 to the 4th. So you're going to go ahead and solve that. 5 times 2 times 10 plus 2 to the 4th. All right, number 10, you're going to simplify. So you were using the distributive property. This is what we did way back at the beginning of the year. So you have 2 times x plus 8. So you're going to distribute that 2 to both. I'm going to leave it at that and see if you can get it. If you have questions, I can send another video showing you how to do that. So you're just distributing 2 times x, 2 times 8, and seeing what you get. Number 11, simplify. So remember on this one, we combine like terms. So you have your like terms, 4x and 8x are the same, and the 8 and the 7 are the same. So you do whatever the operations say. So it says 4x plus 8x, you'll write that down, and then 8 plus 7, and that's simplified because you combine all your like terms. And then number 12 is the same type of problem. It's just you're using what you did in 10 and 11 into one problem. So you're going to distribute your 4, distribute your 3, and then combine like terms. If you need help and any more explaining, let me know and I can do another video. Let me know the specific problems you need help on, and I'll try to help you on them. Hope this helps. Thanks for emailing me, Lynette. See ya.